Hi students, we are going to see angle of inclination of the line. Angle of inclination of the line is the angle which a straight line makes with the x-axis denoted by theta. It's called a angle of inclination. See that one, every line parallel to x-axis is 0. Every line parallel to x-axis means here x-axis, draw a one parallel line. The line cannot make angle with x-axis. The line cannot make angle with x-axis. Then the angle is 0. The angle is 0. Every line parallel to x-axis is 0. Every line parallel to x-axis is 0. Every line parallel to y-axis is 90 degree. Now see that one, y-axis, draw a one parallel line. The line makes 90 degree with x-axis. Then every line parallel to y-axis is 90 degree. Next we want to find slope of a straight line. Slope simply denoted by gradient. It's also a slope. Gradient means also a slope. Slope is two formulas is there. Suppose theta given, the formula is m equal to tan theta. Suppose 2 points given, m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. One note is there. The two lines are parallel. If and only if the slopes are equal. m1 equal to m2. Two slopes m1 equal to m2. Second point, the two lines are perpendicular. It's a perpendicular. The two lines are perpendicular. The formula is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. See the formula properly. X is 5.2. What is the slope of a line whose inclination with a positive direction of x-axis is 90 degree, 0 degree? Here degree angle given, use the formula m equal to tan theta. Slope equal to m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan, first form angle is 90 degree. Tan 90 degree undefined. Already we have studied trigonometry value. Tan 0 degree equal to 0. You know. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Tan 45 degree equal to 1. Tan 90 degree equal to infinity or undefined. So already you have studied in 9th standard. The formulas are already studied in 9th standard. See that one. Tan 90 degree equal to undefined. Next angle 0 degree. Slope m equal to tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree value 0. M equal to 0. Second sum. What is the inclination of the line whose slope is 0, 1 given? See the one here, slope given, we want to find the angle. Inclination of the line means we want to find the angle. Slope equal to m equal to 0. M equal to 0 means tan theta equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 0 means what is the angle? Theta equal to 0 degree. Theta equal to 0 degree. Next, slope of the value 1. Slope m equal to 1. Tan theta equal to 1. Tan theta equal to 1 means what is the angle? 1 means 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree. Third sum, find the slope of the line joining the points 5, root 5 with the origin Second sum, sin theta comma minus cos theta and minus sin theta comma cos theta. 2 points given. 2 points given means the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Origin means 0 comma 0. 5 comma root 5, 0 comma 0. I will take x1 y1, x2 y2. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 0 minus root 5. x2 0 minus 5. Listen, minus root 5. 0 no value, minus root 5. Minus 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5. Cancel, we get 1 by root 5. Slope equal to 1 by root 5. Second part, sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Slope equal to, similarly same formula, m equal to y2 cos theta. Here also or minus, formula minus plus cos theta. Here x2 minus sin theta. Here minus sin theta. Cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta. Minus sin theta minus sin theta minus 2 sin theta. 2 to cancel. Already you know cos theta by sin theta formula is cot theta. Already you have studied in 9th standard. Cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. Slope equal to minus cot theta. Fourth sum, what is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line joining a 5,1 and p, where p is the midpoint of the segment joining 4,2 and minus 6,4. Read the question properly. Here we want to find slope of the line perpendicular to the line joining and also p value given. P is the midpoint of the line joining. First we want to find midpoint. Midpoint P. The formula is already you know x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Mention x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 plus x2, 4 minus 6 by 2. Here 2 minus 4 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Here minus 2 by 2. Here 6 by 2. Cancel, minus 1 comma 3. We get the midpoint P value. Next we want to find slope of A and P. Slope of AP. A I will take x1 y1, P x2 y2. That is the answer. Now slope of AP equal to y2 minus y1. 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5. 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5. 2 minus 6. Cancel, minus 1 by 3. Here we want to find slope of the line perpendicular. So, read the word properly. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means now the slope change to reciprocal. Taking reciprocal and change the sign. Change the sign and taking reciprocal, we get the perpendicular slope. We get the perpendicular slope. Sign changes means plus. Reciprocal means 3 by 1, that is 3. Perpendicular slope equal to 3. Next, fifth sum, show that the given points are collinear. The given points are, show that the given points are collinear. I will take A, B, C. Collinear means we want to find slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Two slopes are equal means the points are collinear. Already we have seen the 6.1. The points are collinear means area of the triangle equal to 0. Here another method, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. The points are collinear. See that one, slope of AB, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Simplify, 2 plus 4, 7 plus 3. Simplify, 6 by 10. Cancel, 3 by 5. Next BC. BC x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope value 5 minus 2, 12 minus 7. 3 by 5. See that one? Equal. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Therefore, given points are collinear. See the sixth sum. If the 3 points are collinear given, find the value of A. Find the value of A. Now, we want to find slope of AB, slope of BC. Slope of AB and slope of BC. Slope of AB, x1, y1, x2, y2. That is y2 minus y1, 3 plus 1. Here minus 1 means formula minus plus 1. x2 a minus 3, a minus 3, that is 4 by a minus 3. Next BC right. Slope of BC equal to the formula here minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 1 minus a, 1 minus a, that is minus 6 by 1 minus a. Now given 3 points are collinear given, the formula is slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. AB value 4 by a minus 3, BC value minus 6 by 1 minus a. Equal, these two are equal. Now cross multiply 4 into 1 minus a minus 6 into a minus 3. Minus 6 into a minus 3 multiplied by 4. 4 minus 4a. Here minus 6a plus 18. Next a value go to one side. That is minus 6a go to that side plus 6a. 6a minus 4a. A terms. And the numbers go to another side. 18 minus 4. That is 14. But 2a equal to 14. 2a equal to 14. A equal to multiply 2 go to that side. Divide. That is 14 by 2 cancel. We get 7. That is a equal to 7. Thank you students.